Hi, my name is Sam. I'm from Thailand. A part of being the president of the Thai Organic Trade Association, I'm also a farmer myself. We have been in the organic sector for almost 20 years. And along the way, I've been told about the biodynamic principle. Not until 2016 that I get a chance to learn about biodynamic really, and I found that there is something similar to our Thai indigenous agriculture culture. For example, the Thai ancient way in growing things is depending on the moon cycle. The ascending moon, the descending moon, high tide, low tide. Coincidentally, it is something that it is in the biodynamic calendar, not exactly the same way, but they are on the same direction. Thailand is recognized by the world as the kitchen of the world. We produce food for people around the world, but the sad thing is we are using a lot of chemicals. We try to get away from the chemical use in the country, and the organic and biodynamic is a way to get out of it.